The reason na pinuntahan nila si First Lady ay simple lamang. Nangailangan I think it was Chris Aquino who needed some assistance for something. What the reports did not say is that Lisa is their aunt. Dahil ang kanyang auntie ay napangasawa si Don Pepe na, the eldest brother of Cory. So they are related. Kaya hindi naman nakakapagtaka. Kilalang kilala niya yung mga pamangkin niya very well. So they came at nagbiyahe sila. Bumalik, may dalang pasalubong. Yun lang naman, dinala nila yung pasalubong kay First Lady.
Sir, follow up, ano po yung assistance na hinihingi ni Chris Aquino from the Marcos administration?
Wala nang, it's just, I think it was just to help them for their travel, for their travel arrangements. So tumulong si First Lady at yun lang na sabi lang papasalamat sila. And so I think it was a very fine gesture on the part of the Aquino family. I think it was it sort of, I suppose, put a little more how do you say, personal, a human interaction between our families. So,
would you say that the feud between the two families are okay na?
Well, we have always been okay. We just don't agree politically.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.